In a stunning victory, Scooter, a hairless Chinese-crested dog with deformed back legs, wins the 2023 World's Ugliest Dog Contest. The annual event promotes love for rescue pets and raises awareness for dog adoption.
How about another round of applause for Scooter?
Georgia.